So the other person you should think of is Gary Kirsten, the coach of India. You know, what a way for him to leave his team.
Absolutely magnificent. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years.
And at some point, I felt that I needed to make the call as to what was actually more important to me. What sacrifices was I going to make? And a lot of people say to me, it must have been a really tough decision. And I say to people, no, it was the easiest decision I ever made, because I made a decision to spend more time with my family. It doesn't mean that I don't want to be involved in coaching, something I absolutely love doing. In fact, I think I enjoy coaching more than I enjoy playing. The reason being is that when you play, you think about yourself all the time. But when you're coaching, you think about other people. The entire day, your whole day is, you wake up and go to sleep thinking about how can I help that person be the best that he can